seems as if the management wants to challenge the house. Or punish them. I can't tell. They put me and Scotty with the Bluegrass wolf. Oh God. Well, we got rid of him. But apparently not. This is a one-time thing. Bluegrass, don't get used to it. This week, the House of Rage and Logan Freeman are taking on the poet, Johnny Dean, and someone other guy. I'm not expecting us to really do much of anything really impressive, especially because of who our third partner is and the history between the two of us. So Scotty, you're gonna have to hold me back from beating his ass up in the middle of that ring and leaving him high and dry. But to be straight up honest, I know what he's gonna say. He's gonna say he has all the respect for the House of Rage, when he doesn't. He has no respect for me. He has no respect for what I do. He has zero respect. Kind of reminds me of the opponents this week. I mean, for real. We lost in Williams. So what? You're gonna put us with a man that I don't even like? I don't even fucking like? That my crew don't even care about? You think we're gonna protect him? No. He might as well just leave us high and dry. Shayblade could take it. Chaos Blade could have taken it. But no. They want to see what I could do to Logan. They want to see what I could do with Logan and Scotty. More of not what I can do with him, it's what I could do to him that matters. Now, Johnny Dean, I know everything about you. I've seen you everywhere. I faced you in the matches many times. Poet, I don't know shit about you. And the other guy. Once again, no clue who you are. So the only one I'm mainly focused on is Johnny Dean and Logan himself, the Bluegrass wolf. Ooh, I'm so scared. It's like you're shivering in fear over the fucking wolf who can't do shit to the house. So trust me when I say this, that the house always has an ace up its sleeve. And you'll never know what's coming, because the house always wins, especially with our ace. And we may be the lowest of the low right now, but soon enough, we will be the kings of this company. And we will rule everything. And Logan, he'll be begging us and pleading to come back to us. And when you come crawling back, don't expect us to welcome you back with open arms. That'll never happen.